Because Big B was staying in the same hotel I was staying in Varanasi.
Oh, really?
I
Wow,
met,
amazing, amazing.
I met him. I met Big B in the breakfast buffet. You know how in the morning you wake up and you have a
Yes, yes.
buffet? It was at like 6 a.m. He was there with his son and his son's wife, the Miss Universe
Yes.
Ashwarya.
Aishwarya Rai, yeah.
Like I was like face to face with Big B.
Oh, wow, so wonderful experience. So, first time when you meet with them, so how do you feel?
So,
Hi.
how are you?
Yeah, doing well. And you?
Very good, thank you. And where are you calling from?
Yeah, I am from India.
Oh, cool. Where in India?
I am from eastern part of India.
Huh, well, India is such an eclectic place and so diverse. When you say Eastern part,
Yes, yes.
it's like where in the Eastern part?
Okay, okay, yeah.
Like,
I live in the state name is West Bengal and the city name is Kolkata.
oh my God, I love Calcutta. I've been to
Oh,
Calcutta 3 times.
wow.
3 times I've been to Calcutta.
Wow.
Oh my God, I love that place. You know what I describe Calcutta? I describe Calcutta life turned upside down. It's like life right in your face. It's an
Yes,
amazing place. And
yes.
then, the whole area is amazing. So, like, I've been to Calcutta, Mysore, Bangalore, Uti,
Oh, so
Darjeeling, Kerala, Gokarna.
okay.
So funny because I've been to all these beautiful, and Varanasi.
Oh, lovely. So you have visited a lot of places, a lot of beautiful places. Yeah.
Yeah, have you ever been to Uti?
Uh, Until not, but I have a wish. I want to go someday because it is a really awesome place. I know.
You have to go. They have the best chocolates there in the world, they say. And then,
Okay.
did you hear that? And then in Darjeeling, I had like the best tea.
Yes, yes, exactly.
And
Bestie.
then in Varanasi, like I had the best Indian experience in Varanasi.
Yes,
It's
yes,
like a movie, really. Do you know who Big B is? How do you say his name? Amitabh Bachchan.
yes, yes. I watch Bollywood movies.
So you know Big B.
Yes, he is my favorite actor.
Okay, because Big B was staying in the same hotel I was staying in Varanasi.
Oh, really?
I
Wow,
met,
amazing, amazing.
I met him. I met Big B in the breakfast buffet. You know how in the morning you wake up and you have a
Yes, yes.
buffet? It was at like 6 a.m. He was there with his son and his son's wife, the Miss Universe
Yes,
Ashwarya.
Aishwarya Rai, yeah.
Yeah, she's not as tall in person. Like, she's tall like in the movies, but when you see her, she's really short. But he was there like we were sitting next to him. His mom
Hmm.
died. So he was
Okay, okay.
taking her to the vet. But yeah, I was like face to face with Big B.
Oh, wow, so wonderful experience. So, first time when you meet with them, so how do you feel?
Oh my God, I was like this is how it happened. Like we went to the breakfast buffet and like me and my friends downstairs, I'm like, oh, okay, I gotta
Yes.
go. I said, I forgot my purse in the room.
Oh, wow.
I said, like, let me go upstairs to get my purse. I didn't have my money. And he said, okay. So then I go to the elevator and I press the elevator button. And then the elevator button opened and he was like a movie. He was right
Oh,
there.
wow.
And his son and his son's wife. I was like, oh, whoa, like I couldn't believe it. My
Yes,
face got
exactly.
red because, his picture is everywhere in India. And plus I saw a Bollywood movie in Calcutta before we went to Varanasi. So
Okay.
it was a treat. But they said, but he was, I couldn't take pictures and I couldn't take the autograph because, everyone's like, no, just don't ask, please, please, his mom died, be respectful. And I was like, yeah, of course.
Yes. Okay, okay. Oh, so it was really lovely meeting.
Yes, it was. It was.
Okay, so wonderful, wonderful. Ma'am, how long have you been teaching English on Cambly?
On Cambly, 2 years.
Oh,
Yeah.
Wow.
But overall 15 years. I even taught English in the village in Gokarna in India.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Oh,
with the kids and
wow.
people
Lovely.
they didn't have any desks or pens.
Yeah.
So I bought them and then we just sang and they were on the floor.
Okay. Great. Great. And who do you live with now?
I'm in Thailand now, and we live in a commune. Like, there's many families around me. Like behind me, there's family from Germany. In front of me, there's family from Italy. So it's like a
Yes.
community that we kind of live
Yes.
together.
Exactly.
But it's a lot of people, foreign and expat people. They live in Southeast Asian countries
Oh.
because maybe they're nomads. Some of them are nomads. They like to work and travel at the same time.
Okay. I, and yeah, how do you spend your leisure time?
Oh, my leisure time, I love to teach. Really, that's what I love to do. But
Oh,
leisure,
yes.
leisure, if I have real free time, I love to swim. I love swimming.
Oh, oh,
Swimming,
okay. So you can swim.
like,
Great. I can too swim.
yeah, swimming and ice skating. We have an ice skating rink here, and I enjoy that a lot.
Oh, so that makes you happy.
Very happy, very happy. If I do it, if I can do it every day, I would.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
Great.
I love it. I just put for ice skating, I'll just put music on, and you feel like you're flying on the ice. And then swimming, you feel like you're swimming like a fish. So I love that feeling.
Okay.
And what
Great,
do
great.
you do on your leisure time?
Yeah, I spend my leisure time with my paintings
Oh, nice. How long?
because I love painting.
Mhm.
And yeah, I from my childhood I have been painting, but
You,
nowadays for the hectic schedule, so I hardly paint.
oh,
But painting is my hobby,
excellent.
rather.
What was the last thing that you painted?
2 weeks ago.
What was it like of a mountain? It was ocean.
Yeah, actually, I love painting landscape,
Yeah.
especially landscape, urban and also rural. So and also some play some match football match. I recently painted a football match.
Yeah, that's cool too. Football match. That's nice to paint. Do you like football?
Uh, Most probably I like preferably that is cricket, but football is my another loving game.
Okay. Yeah, I think cricket is the thing for you guys in India. India
Yes,
has a
yeah,
beautiful
cricket is
game. You
not
guys love
for
that.
us.
And India also has beautiful landscape. Oh,
Yes.
beautiful.
What are the things that make you irritated or angry?
That make me irritated and angry, people that lie. I can
Oh,
tell right away. I have that antenna
me too.
detector. I hate that. I hate that.
Great, great, great. And do you have any pet?
Yes, I do. A cat.
Oh,
Yeah.
cat. So you are cat
Yeah,
lover.
well, all animals really. I love dogs, animals, elephants. We have a lot of elephants here in Thailand. Um, horses. I've always loved horses, but I currently I
Oh,
just have one animal, but I've had many other pets in the past. And you?
yeah. I love animals, but I do not have any cat. But I feed some local dogs in my
Oh,
area.
that's nice, and they know you. They probably know that you're
Yes.
coming.
And yeah, I want to know that is there common that horses are
Yes,
like a treated domestic animal?
yes. We have horses here, and we have barns here,
Oh,
and they're treated very well. So, like, if you wanted to own a horse, you could, but you have to keep it at the barn.
okay. So
Or
nice.
you can if you have land here, you can keep it out here too. In Thailand, they don't care. You can have a buffalo, you can have a cow. Like in India, cows running around on the street. Here, you can have
Yes,
anything.
yes.
It's not like America and the UK where they have restrictions on that. Here, you can own whatever,
Oh, okay.
as long as it doesn't harm anyone or anything.
Oh, and what is the second language there? What is the first language?
Thai,
Thai?
Thai.
Yeah, and the second language?
I think English because everyone like India is the second language is English. The same
Oh,
here. But yeah,
okay. So, oh, they are really. keen to learn
Yes,
English.
like in India.
Okay, so this is the similarity,
Yeah,
right?
but I think India is more
India.
advanced because of the British colony. I think
Oh,
your
okay.
country is like the kids, the street kids in India when I went, they can speak very good English. And I was like, whoa, you guys,
Wow.
and I was comparing it to Thailand at the time, and it's because of the colony.
Oh, great, great. So it was really great. Wow.
Yeah, it is. It is. Even when I went to Uti, I went, you know, you go up the mountain to Uti, then you go up another mountain to another village. You know how India is. And the
Oh,
mountain, the village above Uti, they speak good English and there's like no schools there. It's like, whoa,
oh,
you guys are
wow.
great. You are awesome, you know? And
Oh,
and it was
great,
a
great.
plastic free village. I loved that. It was plastic free
Oh,
village and it was like organic food village too. So
wow. Excellent, excellent. So you have a great experience.
yes,
Yeah.
yes, I had a very positive experience. If I go and if I have a negative experience, it's okay too. The first time is the best time.
Great, great. And yeah, so what is the, when do you know about India? So what is the first thing comes in your mind?
What is the what? I'm sorry?
What is the first thing that comes in your mind about India?
Idli and chai masala.
Oh, excellent.
First thing
Great,
that
great,
comes
great.
to my mind. Where is the idli and where is the chai masala?
Oh, so you love
I love
idli and chai
idli and I love
masala?
chai masala.
Oh, excellent. Yeah, these are really famous and
I
popular
love,
food in India,
yeah,
street
because when
foods.
we took the bus, you know, we drove like from central India all the way to the south, and you take stops along the way. And when you stop, you get
Yes,
chai
yes,
masala and idli is the perfect breakfast food. It's
yes,
actually like the
exactly.
English. I think the English probably took that idea from you guys, the English muffin, but the idli is the original
It's very,
muffin,
yeah. I agree,
right?
I agree. Oh, ma'am, my time, yes, my time is running out. So it was really lovely to meet you and see you soon again. It was,
Indrajit.
yes, thank you
You
so
too.
much.
Thank you.
Bye.
You
Take
too. You
care.
too.